Okay, Tim, really quick, just off the top of your head, give me 3 tips for managers that are struggling to train their salespeople. Now, go.
3 tips. I've got 30 tips, but if it's going to be 3 tips, number 1, in your training meeting, 50% of it needs to be practice. It's not just guys watching video. It's not just them reading scripts. They have to say it out loud. It's not what you know, it's what you do with what you know. So we need more practice. Number 2, we need to make sure that we're holding more training meetings and less sales meetings. We hold way too many sales meetings in a dealership where we cover stuff. We need training meetings where we're helping our guys get better. Our salespeople are as good as they're going to get on their own. It's up to us to make the difference. Look, you want to take your training to the next level, you got to learn how to train. Right? We all want better trained salespeople. When you come to this workshop, I don't even like to call it a workshop, it's a do shop. You will walk out of there knowing how to be a sales trainer versus a trainer. Trainers tell, sales trainers sell. When you train your guys on something and they don't do it on the next customer, it drives you nuts. It's because they weren't bought into it. They weren't sold, they were told. We need to sell them, not tell them. So in that class, you will walk out knowing how to be a sales trainer, how to prepare and organize effective training classes, and how to plan and schedule it so you can turn those boring meetings that we have right now into fun, educational meetings that get results, because our salespeople are as good as they're going to get on their own. It's up to us to make them better.